morning, guys. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. Guys, today we are going to dive to SPY. Guys, after SPY make almost a double top of a year, around 613 on this we are watching on weekly, and obvious this was the first time to sell. In fact, on weekly it tell you it was the past time, it was the best time to sell. Even the long term, guys, we have some signal, which is signal around here, and well, long term SPY is going to come down, but we have, remember, long term will come down for all, maybe all of this 2025, but we want to see now. Remember, there will be the pounds. Even remember the time when SPY was pumping, there was a dip. So remember, a signal 2023 to pi somewhere here. Remember, you have up, it retraces back. So remember, now every year you will see we had some dips and the upside. So what does this mean? So this means that we can have some bounces. Like today we crashed, and probably next week we can open another week. So if you used it on a weekly here, obvious weekly, you may be seeing some pounds. So remember right now what we see over here, 531, it was support. But remember right now we were trading below there. We stopped 546. We pounced this week. You remember this week? So if we break down, so this week it might be coming all the way to 509. Remember, the market doesn't 509 is our next support. But guys, if this thing hits 509, remember, this thing heading towards the oversold, even though we have another selling signal came on a daily. But if you remember very well, like you buy like quarterly right now, I lost a lot of money yesterday, and right now I'm trying to figure out how can I do it, because I have to return my money. So if you buy some calls, and right now this market right now is for buying some calls, but if you are buying the regular stock, you may sit side, or you may be trade buying and watching. Remember, everything is already shifted downtrend, and right now we are going to watch some stuff like this one going up there, and I'm going to jump into the what's wrong. Yeah, it's supposed to be like this. Remember, this is a sharp downturn, and we are watching some signal to pi, and yeah, you have to wait something like a signal, some SPY, and remember this thing like here right now is under that downtrend, guys. We are waiting market right now to signal the pi. Right now it's just to short, but now it will not short something which is already fall like this one. Even that's why I put my call yesterday, because I saw that this thing, it jumped all the way to 540, and then I buy my call, and I was think this thing is going to at least have relief before moving south. But things get worse and worse, and sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. So we are watching this time frame, like 4-hour chart, 45 market's going to open right now, and I'm extending, and I'm doing SPY, because when SPY is going down, everything is going down. So remember right now, some people are going to buy some calls, watching on 45 minutes, and they may be kicking around 550, coming back. Remember right now, everything is already shifting. It's now any pounds, you short it, okay? If you would like, you can short it, but man, it's very interesting right now. Any pounds, you short it any pounds. So now market is already open, and now we are going to see the candles. So you see we open down here. So yeah, we open down here, and even I will not open my account to see what's going on. Right now we are watching if this thing can go back to 118. So I saw today morning on pre-market went all the way to 5. I think that's where we are headed there. I don't think if you can have that recovery. Yeah, we have some recovery, guys. We have some recovery right now, and it's going to be rejected around 531 before maybe to do move more down. People are going to sell, guys. Some people are going to sell it, and so we have some pie signal right now on 45 minutes, and let's see on 4 hour we don't have anything like a pie. It's under serious on sale, and if you pie long term, it's best time to pie long term. And let's see Tesla. Tesla is supposed to be the strongest stock right now. Yeah, Tesla. Yeah, Tesla is pushing. You see Tesla cars on market here still very strong, and this is the only stock that I have like some calls. The only thing that I lost because I put on SPY, and I just regret right now because I knew how the technical course, but I didn't follow my rule of thought. Guys, thank you so much. Tesla, Nvidia, I call Nvidia that I will not buy Nvidia. It's now on support $98, and yeah, Nvidia may be becoming more, guys. When you see on monthly, this is we have already confirmed on Nvidia to buy put. So, and where I'm expecting Nvidia in future, I mean, in fact, expecting Nvidia to drop to $60. That's where it will be my target for long term, because guys, we are going to use the market to buy and sell. Anytime market will say something different, that we will get in. So that will be the best thing, guys. Thank you so much. And Apple, I saw Apple may be coming around, is now 195, and we have that sale. Yeah, we have some sales, and it bounces on support, exactly my support here, which is on 192, which is, it might be the best time to buy more on Apple. So guys, have a nice day. Let's see what is going to happen. The Big Tech, I don't look at the small cap stock, because right now we are looking at some company which is making money. Amazon will come around 150. So when you see my target here is still around 160 something or 144. Yeah, man, this is crazy, this is crazy, this is crazy. So thank you so much, guys, and have a nice day.